I'm the CEO of Fast Private Jet. I'm the founder as well. The main reason why Fast Private Jet, which is the leading company worldwide in private jet segment and market, is for understand how the blockchain can support the business aviation industry into the future. I strongly believe that my industry is missing a part, a big part to develop into the future. Dubai, I guess, is one of the most interesting market for the business aviation and, of course, for the blockchain cryptocurrencies. And I'm quite sure that in next future, with a vision from here to 5 years, will be the most important country where the business aviation will develop. It's a natural hub. It connects the two different parts of the world. As it happens for the commercial airline, this will be naturally happens also with the business aviation. The organization was amazing. As when we start, we were based in Italy, so since we started from there, the communication was great, responsive, email, everything was set. I just took the plane and come here in Dubai, and everything was super. The people around are really interesting, and I can't wait to enjoy the next edition with you guys.